Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, and this is Market Vitals. It's the first time I'm streaming this one. We are ready, willing, and able to help soon with all types of new information at endotech.io. But for right now, I'm going to keep this one short just to give you an idea of how this segment will work. Very similar to the Blockchain Vitals segment, Market Vitals will be my chance to impart some trading knowledge, how I'm looking at the market, what I think the potentials are in the market in either direction. I think it's so important for you to understand and, describe and tell the bull story and the bear story, as the bulls and the bears are always fighting it out for supremacy in any asset. So that's what I aim to do. My work over the past 30 years has taught me that momentum is key, and the strength of that momentum indicative by the slopes of lines on momentum modeling, very important. And also fractalization, like what time fractal you are looking at to give depth to your analysis. For me, my belief is that, of course, longer-term time fractals hold more weight, are more important than shorter-term time fractals. And so we do analysis on many time fractals in order to paint a broad picture of the relative health or sickness of anything that we're trading. Anything that we can trade that has price discovery, therefore, we can analyze. And the other thing that's important here is, as a technician, I firmly believe that all available information is displayed in that last price. Price discovery is everything. All the information in the market is held in the price because that's how I believe it works, right? If you have information that is actionable, you will act in the market, or you will tell somebody that will act in the market. And for me, then price is everything. And believe me, I have lost more money believing a fundamental story that is opposite the technicals. And it's been said for a long time that markets can stay illogical, can stay disconnected from the fundamentals a lot longer than you can stay solvent. And in Market Vitals, we'll be covering mostly commodities and FX, and especially in a highly leveraged market like commodities are. That statement is so true, right? The market can stay disconnected. I've heard it so many times. These things can't be here. Well, they're here, and you are on a margin call, and they're blowing you out because they are here, and you can believe that they should be here. But your clearing firm and the exchange don't really care what you think. They care what your market position is telling them, especially as it applies to your solvency in any position. All right, so that's what I aim to do today. We're going to just cover the S&Ps. There it is again. Rookie mistake. Taking the vitals, and this time not blockchain vitals, right? Not blockchain vitals, but S&P vitals. And from the S&P sheet that was out this morning, right now S&P's trading. Hold on. Let's get the live update. S&P's at this hour right now trading. Be helpful if I could find it. 2937, and if you look at the sheet here, completely blowing away all the models, right? Way above the value range high, has taken out the up momentum collar on the daily, which was 2986, and has blown away the third target on the pivot model. So completely outperforming all models, but this is the daily fractal. All right, and so this is a very good learning experience here. When you blow away daily numbers, you have to fractal out. You have to move out to the weekly. And sometimes when you blow away weekly numbers, you got to fractal out again and move to the monthly. So that's exactly what we do. And so talking on that weekly fractal, that up momentum level was around 28.95 on the weekly. but the up momentum collar on the weekly in the S&P's June contract all the way up at 30.03. And that's obviously higher than the all-time highs at 29.47. And the monthly now with room out to 30.57. So a ton of expanding potentiality in the S&Ps. And that's just the way the market, don't kill the messenger when he tells you what the potentiality is. If you're short and you think there's no way these things should be here, and you think fundamentally we're going into a recession, and you think Trump's a jerk, and you think with oil rallying, how can the stock market rallying, and you think this and you think that, listen to me. I'm telling you that the technicals will keep you solvent if you respect them. All right, so a lot of expanding potential here in the S&Ps. I've read lots over the last several weeks to months how we're going to have a melt up here instead of a melt down, and that is surely what is playing out on the technicals. All right, so that's what I'm seeing. Thank you so much for watching on this first segment of Market Vitals. I will be covering things that are shaking and moving on a daily basis here. Please share on our EndoTech.io YouTube channel, and soon the Market Vital sheet will be available for subscribers at EndoTech.io. We'll be doing a sheet on FX, Cash FX, and also about 70 commodity markets, outrights, and spreads. I was told long ago that you can't trade spreads technically. Well, believe me, you can trade anything technically. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back on later this evening for Blockchain Vitals. If you are involved in cryptocurrencies, trading that asset class, please tune in. That'll be later on tonight. Thank you so much for watching.